Ndi Igbo as na family fifa. Those of us who live in our village house especially know what I'm talking about. Some of us own humongous plots of land which you couldn't afford if we were to have to buy them. Barely 600 years ago, and even till date in some places, even in Anambra, right? Ancestors, people like you and I with zero military training, had to fight to the death to get and then to protect this land for their descendants. Now, Muna Gibu, the descendants, Adago International, it is international. We've rubbished those who died for us to live. Adopt their new parents in St. Peter's just because OG the keys to heaven's gate. Then you institute these foreign altars on sacred ancestral land and shout all night for St. Peter to come and deliver you from your evil parents. And say, Oborogi with the parents, your children who adopt to parent also. Demonize Yagi. Forget about venerating you or Bugodu annually. Buolugi Obala. And every week, every Sunday, they venerate their colonizers, the invaders, ancestors, and the other. Oborogi Obi Agadegemu. If I have blood food for thought, when I see you go on, your ways could tell you. All I'm saying is go stream the music as sent through me and watch the video, the visualizer video. Thanks.